Magandang araw mga ka-Star! Welcome to Star Pinoy TV sa mas pinalakas
Mas pinabago.
at mas pinakwelang tambayan mga ka-Star worldwide.
My name is Star Mike
And my name is Star Eds and you are watching OFW Hotspot.
with Executive Director Henry Gia, directed by Brando Martinez for Program and Entertainment.
And Jun Magsino for News and Public Affairs.
At bisitahin niyo po kami sa aming official Facebook account na may kita niyo po sa inyong mga screens.
Alam mo Star Mike, ngayong araw we are so privileged to have ang isa sa mga pinakamatagumpay na OFW dito sa Riyadh.
Tama ka dyan, Star Eds. At hindi lamang matagumpay, kundi isa siya sa mga napakadunong na tao because he graduated as cum laude sa University of Cebu Main Campus.
Wow, at hindi lamang yan. He is the current president of the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountant or PICPA Riyadh, and also he is a certified risk analyst and also has MBA.
And without further ado, please welcome Mr. Lot Lisandra. Hello po, Mr. Lot Lisandra. Welcome po sa Star Pinoy TV and thank you po for gracing our invitation dito lamang yan sa ating studio.
Good afternoon, Star Mike, and good afternoon, Star Ed. And
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all the viewers of Star Pinoy TV. And I would like to thank you also and would like to greet an afternoon to all the management and staff of Star Pinoy TV. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon Sir Lot. Good afternoon Star
good
Mike. Alam mo
afternoon.
ba Star Mike, kasamahan ko si Sir Lot sa Toastmasters. And of course, kilala ko siya bilang isang speaker, bilang isang leader. But for the benefit of those na hindi nakakakilala kay Sir Lot, sino nga ba si Lot Lisandra?
Okay po. Thank you, Star Ed. Si Lot Lisandra Jr. po ay just a typical OFW. I originally hails from Surigao but my family moved to Cebu City together with my wife and my lovely daughter Abby. I am a corporate financial analyst at Saudi Telecom Company Solutions. I came from a productive family of 9 children. So basically that's all about me.
Napakaganda naman talaga ng background ni Mr.
Nine
Lot.
children.
Yes, of course. 9 children.
And he's from STC.
Oh.
Pwede bang humingi ng ano?
Ng load. Hello po, STC.
Hi,
At what
STC.
motivates you po to work abroad, particularly here in Saudi Arabia? At the fact naman po na pwede niyong gamitin ang inyong profession sa Philippines,
Oo.
ano po yung motivation niyo?
You're right, Star Mike. Actually, Filipino CPAs are really in demand in the Philippines considering na accounting graduates nga ay winawanted na. So how much more if you are a CPA? But one thing that made me decide to work overseas, specifically in Riyadh, is to help my parents financially. As what I'm telling you, I come from a productive family of 9 children. So at that time, my younger brothers and sisters are still studying. So one thing that I can help my parents financially is to work abroad. And apart from that, I want to experience how is it working abroad as well as working with multicultural colleagues.
Ayan, kasi mas mataas nga naman and the fact na nag-aaral pa yung kanyang mga kapatid that
Yes, of
time.
course.
And alam ko ngayon they are also graduate na for their chosen courses. Yes, Sir Lot, isa ka po sa mga itinuturing na matagumpay na OFW na nakipagsapalaran dito sa abroad. So ano po yung maipapayo nyo sa amin ng mga baguhan pa lamang na OFW para makamit ang tugatog ng tagumpay?
Okay, thanks, Stars Ed. It's flattering to know, but actually I'm still OFW in process. But I just would like to share sa inyo po kung ano yung mga ways or what are those ingredients na kino-consider ko in order to become successful. To sum it up, I started with prayer. I do believe that prayer is the most powerful one, and I'm just so blessed that a lot of people are praying for my success. Number 2 is savings. As much as possible, save as much as you can. We are fortunate enough na kahit paano ay medyo malaki ang kinikita natin dito, so save as much as you can. Apart from that savings, is you have to invest. I do believe that investing is a way of forced savings. And along with that saving and investing, you have to live within your means. Alam ko po na you have to control your spending. You have to spend right within your means, or what we can say is right within what you have received out from your salary. And then the third one is you have to work hard. I do believe that whatever field you are into, whether you are an architect, a nurse, an accountant by profession, you have to work hard. You have to show to your employer, to your bosses, and to other nationalities that we Filipinos are indeed world-class professionals.
Yes, of course. At talaga
And then-
may natutunan tayo.
Yes po. At saka, the most important thing also is communication. We all know that we are here for our family. So, wag nating alisin. So, we are fortunate that marami tayong mga communication tools. Nandun yung Skype, FB, at kung ano pa. So, dapat isipin natin yon that one way to communicate with our family is to being with them. Not for them to feel that we are away from them despite the miles away that we are into right now.
Ang daming lesson, 'di ba?
Oh, yes.
So, to sum it up, you should be
Prayer. Yeah, it should be prayers,
then
savings,
investments,
yes,
work
then work hard,
hard,
and communication.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Importante yung communication talaga sa family.
Sobra.
Yes, sir.
Pag-usapan naman natin ang PICPA. Ano naman ito at ano ang layunin nito?
Ang PICPA po stands for Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants. It is a professional organization of Filipino CPAs catering different field of industry. Those who are working in the government, those who are working in the commerce and industry, in the public accounting as public practitioners, and like us, OFWs. So dito po sa local chapter namin ng PICPA Riyadh chapter, kami po ay tumutulong sa kapwa naming mga Filipino CPAs nang sa ganon ay ma-enhance pa po ang kanilang profession. And aside from the Filipino CPAs, we are into helping also our kababayans, the so-called overseas Filipino workers. Currently po, ang PICPA Riyadh chapter ay nag-o-offer ng iba't ibang courses. Ilan po dito, which is ako isa sa mga lecturers, ay AFNA, Accounting for Non-Accountants. We have also the FAMANA, the Financial and Managerial Accounting for Non-Accountants. The MBA crash course that we are offering. Then next is the business plan development and the feasibility study. And I would like to inform also those OFWs that aspiring to become a certified public accountant, meron po tayong tinatawag na SPLBA para sa overseas workers na magkaroon po ng chance na magkaroon ng lisensya being a CPA. So ang PICPA Riyadh chapter ay nag-o-offer po kami which is ongoing right now at Elite International School ng CPA Review Program through the SPLBA and the Polo OWA po.
Yan, ang dami. Ang dami ng mga ng mga activities ng PICPA.
Yes, of
So
course.
calling all those CPAs na pwedeng mag-MBA yung Master of Business Administration, sa kanila po kayo pumunta sa PICPA. And of course, Sir Lot, aside from PICPA, are there any other organizations that you are affiliated with?
Yes, Team Ed. Apart from PICPA, I'm also an affiliated member of the PRTC, which we happen to be co-member, the PICPA Riyadh Toastmasters Club. Then I am also a member of the Philippine Professional Organizations, the International Business Risk Analyst, and lastly is the Institute of Internal Auditors po.
Ang daming organizations. So, we all know that you are busy in your life. So, you are into Toastmastering, you are also a family man, into sports, and also a president of PICPA. So, paano nyo naman na-manage ang inyong time?
Thanks, Star Mike. Indeed, every weekend, there are times that I'm juggling with my schedules, but still boils down with time management. I made it a point to have an organizer to check on that particular hour what are those schedules that I have. Then aside from time management, I do set priorities. Pag kinakailangan kong ano yung uunahin. And if there are times that really loaded yung schedule, that's the time I do with reducing commitments po. So yun lang po yung mga strategy na ginagawa ko in order to manage the schedules that I have right now.
And time management.
Yeah,
lang
time management talaga ang kailangan.
Sir Lot, we know that you are also into helping our fellow OFWs. So ano po yung mga plans nyo in the future na para mapabuti pa yung pagtulong nyo sa ating mga kababayans?
Yes, okay po. Sa akin po, kasama ng aking mga members ng professional organizations which is PICPA, nakikipag-coordinate po kami sa Polo and we are supporting right now the what's so-called program ng ating labor attaché. Ito yung OM3, yung OFW Mag-Impok, Magnegosyo Movement. So, kami po mga bilang accountants or bilang CPAs, we are into financial literacy program. Tumutulong po kami sa kapwa nating OFW para magkaroon sila ng idea, just the basic knowledge of accounting. Nang sa ganon, if time comes that they want to be integrated to our home country or they want to go home already, they have the financial literacy already on how to manage their business as well as the finances that they have right now.
That's great.
Wow, napakaganda naman talaga ng message ni Sir Lot. Bago po tayo magtapos sa ating programa, meron pa po ba kayong pasasalamatan at pabatiin?
Once again, I would like to say thank you to the management staff of Star Pinoy TV, and likewise to you, Team Ed, Star Mike, and to all the members of the Pikpa Riyadh chapter. I would like to say hi to all of you,
Hello.
and likewise to all my families and relatives from Surigao, Nasipit, and especially to my lovely wife in Cebu, as well as to our adorable daughter Abby. Advance happy birthday po.
On behalf of Star Pinoy TV po, we are very thankful po for gracing our invitation as our guest. And of course, at this point, we want to thank our sponsors, Vitality by Ronald Fernando, OHM by Rico Molina,
Ems Lee, Ana and Salra Balon of The Rising Sun Group,
Ems Angel Dancers, Lovely Heart for our studio,
HMG Pro Audio and Video Productions, Gel Umukit,
Hyacinth Flower Shop and Gift Shop, DJ Ark and DJ Prince June of Pinoy Heart Radio Riyadh chapter.
and of course, we would like to acknowledge and thank our executive producers who are with us today, Tita Aida Atanante
Hello, Tita
and
Aida.
Tito Loy
Hello,
Lisandra.
Tito Loy.
Hello po sa inyo.
And of course, bago tayo tuloy magpaalam, we have something for Sir Lot
thank
you. Yes,
as a
of course,
souvenir
we
for
have.
for having him
Yes.
here.
It's a dog.
Thank you po.
Ayan,
Yes.
para sa inyo po
Oh,
yan, souvenir.
Yes.
Pinoy TV.
At nais ko pong pasalamatan ng ating butihing makeup artist for today who did our makeup
Makeup.
and hair, Mr. James Galvan and Tita Sally. Maraming salamat po, and I would like to greet my family in La Union, my baby Kira. Hello baby, I love you.
Ako naman po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga viewers at sa mga nanonood po sa Riyadh Care Hospital at sa mga nanonood po ngayon, abangan niyo po yung bago ko pong endorsement and kaantabayanan niyo po yan.
At maraming salamat mga ka-star sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa Star Pinoy TV.
Tama ka dyan, Star Ed, sa ngalan ng bumubuo ng Star Pinoy. Kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat at saludo po sa inyong walang samang pagsuporta sa aming programa.
Ayan mga ka-star, isa na namang kabayang OFW ang nagbahagi ng kanyang buhay at talaga namang siguradong may napulot tayong aral sa kanya, di ba, Star Mike?
Yes.
At sa bumubuo po ng Star Pinoy TV, kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta.
At hanggang sa muli, dito lamang yan sa Star Pinoy TV dahil dito,
Star ka!